Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing of the imKey HeirBOX P1. That's an indestructible key storage for cryptocurrency, but also for other things because it's super flexible. It supports the BIP39 standard with 12 seed words, 18 words, 24 words. So it's perfectly suitable for Nano, Trezor, but also for the imKey hardware wallet itself. Absolute perfect combination. By the way, they have also another version which is the S1, which is more the beginner set, or actually the set if you just want to store your seed words. Here you can store much more things, but both are absolutely indestructible. They are fireproof, waterproof, corrosion proof, drop proof. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get and then how to use it. And so here's the box of the P1, also some small instructions in the back. So let's open it. Get even some seals, so if you want to protect it and make sure that nobody opens it, you can use these stickers. Then some other instructions, and then the plates and the leather plates. You can see how many there are, really a lot. We have 130 letters here per plate per side. So this makes 520 on these sides and another 520 on these sides, makes 1040 different possibilities for characters. So that's definitely enough for everything. And you can see the variety. We have large letters, small letters, we have special characters here. Also on this side, a lot of large character, upper characters, then numbers, and also a lot of special characters here. So it fits for much more than just seed words. And here is where we store it. We can open, slide it to the side. And so we have an 8x8, means 64 possibilities here, and also 8x8, another 64 possibilities here. And we get also the screwdriver in the set and some replacement screws like these screws here. And so when we want to insert the letters, we have to remove these screws first. And so I've removed all the 7 screws here. Now you can see we can slide it also to the side. And now we can push out letter by letter. Just push it here to the back and then you can easily grab it from here. They are connected a little bit. If you want to replace them and use other seed words, you could push them back here, but they are not perfectly sitting here. It's not the same thing as at the beginning. So maybe the better idea, if you're not using them anymore, put them in a plastic bag, store them inside here. And so we are using character by character. Just push them here inside. Now let's take a B. Really easy to put them here inside. So you have different possibilities. Maybe you have a 12 seed passphrase. Then you can place 8 here and 4 on the other side. But if you're using BIP39, then the first 4 letters of each word are enough, because there are just 2048 different words and all of them have different first 4 letters. So you really have to just store the first 4 letters of BIP39. Everything else is not needed. You can store up to 16 of them here alone. So many different possibilities, and when you're finished, just put them back. You can see you can still read them, but they're holding nicely in place. Then we add back all the screws, so everything is safe, and so we can close it again. And you can also use this hole here for normal lock, like a 3-digit lock, 4-digit lock, like a normal travel lock or so. Really nice, beautiful, absolutely awesome. Could be also a very nice gift for crypto lovers. And again, works perfectly in combination with the imKey Pro hardware wallet. For me, definitely one of the best solutions. Definitely much better than punching the letters into a steel plate with a hammer. I have done this a couple of times already, and sometimes it's really difficult to see the letters also when you have done a mistake or you want to replace your seed words. Then you don't have any possibility anymore. Here it's much more flexible, and so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.